Have you pinned a conversation in your iPhone's Messages app, but now you're looking to unpin it? No worries. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unpin a conversation step by step. Before we get into the how-to, let's talk about why you might want to unpin a conversation. Maybe you've pinned too many chats and want to clean things up, or you want to prioritize new conversations. Whatever the reason, unpinning a chat is super simple and takes just a few seconds. Let's see how it's done. Open your Messages app and find the pinned conversations at the top of the screen. They appear as circular icons or tiles. Tap and hold the pinned chat you want to remove. A menu will pop up. Simply select Unpin. Once unpinned, the chat will move back to your regular conversation list. Here's a quick tip. If you want to reorganize or manage multiple pinned conversations, remember that you can only pin up to 9 chats at a time. Long press on any pinned chat to adjust your layout or unpin less important ones. If you use iCloud, your pinned and unpinned conversations will sync across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly unpin conversations in the Messages app on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.